Hey everybody, it's Steve, and I recently got this Novation Launchkey keyboard. Novation makes a bunch of Launchpad products that are great for launching audio clips or loops in apps like Ableton. In this video, I want to show how I've been using it to launch audio clips on an iPad, then show a simple way to program a DMX controller app to launch lighting scenes using the same pads, and finally, show how it looks when you build a song launching audio and lighting loops together. There's a lot of great music creation apps on the iPad, such as GarageBand, which is easy to learn. But recently, I've been using a fantastic app called AUM that's super versatile and can host both MIDI and audio AUV3 plugins. You can also use it as a clip launcher by adding audio tracks and designating them as file players, and then loading loops. Once you have your stems loaded and a MIDI device is connected, you can teach the pads to launch the clips using the MIDI learn function. Here's a drum, bass, synth, bells, and a rhythm clip that are all mapped to pads on the Launchkey. Vibrio is a simple app for controlling DMX Lights on the iPad, and you can learn all about it in the link above. And it's pretty easy to program scenes to match the audio loops. First, here's a quick look at how I have my rig set up. The PARs on the left are configured as one group in the fixtures section of Vibrio, and the center and right PARs are also set up as their own groups. Then I have the mini beam set up as a left group and a right group, and the spider beam as its own group. First, let's create a scene for the drum loop. We're going to make a new scene. We'll edit it, name it, and we'll use the middle PARs. Let's make them red, and to keep it easy, we'll just hit a strobe effect. And then let's also make a scene for the bells. And for this, we'll use the left mini and right mini group. And let's bring up the dimmer. We'll make them red and blue, and we'll add a zigzag effect. Then just go through and keep creating scenes that work for each of the audio loops. And because Vibrio also has a MIDI learn function, you can teach each pad to launch the corresponding scene. Just make sure you have scene layering on, so each of the scenes is enabled or muted along with the audio track. This video just gives you an idea of how you could add DMX Lights to your own live loops. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and here's a sample of how it looks all together.